Good morning, students. This is Mr. Pizatitis. So, last 2 days, from last 2 days, we have been discussing about factual description, and today also we are going to discuss about factual description. So, here you can see that factual description of a place. Okay, factual description of a place. So, if we want to make a factual description for a place, so what we have to do and what the major thing we have to keep in our mind, all these things we will discuss in this video lecture. So, keep the following points when you attempt the factual description of a प्लेस। जब कभी कोई फैक्चुअल डिस्क्रिप्शन को आप लिखते हैं तो यही कुछ जो मतलब पॉइंट्स हैं उसको आप अपने दिमाग में रखें। लोकेशनल एस्पेक्ट्स एंड स्पेशल description. Okay, so you may see that a particular area, okay, for which area you are writing, okay, that's very necessary। कौन से एरिया को आप लिखते हो, है ना, कौन से एरिया के बारे में आप वर्णन करते हो, are important in this type of description। For example, you have to use word like the northwest corner, in front of, beyond, and against, to, etc। ये सभी शब्द को आपको इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा जब कभी कोई मतलब लोकेशन के बारे में आप अगर यहाँ पे कुछ बताने के लिए चाहते हैं या लोकेशन के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं। बोलेंगे तो क्या आप लिखेंगे? Your description should be factual। That previous lecture also I told you very clearly that factual description means that is very important to write about fact, otherwise those who are following you, they will be misguided, okay, they will be misguided। Your description should be factual with focus on specific features। For example, if you are describing Goa, you can write about Blemy Sea Bridge, Hati, or Kalsin, tropical climate, happy, go lucky people, etc। ओके, जब गोवा के बारे में आप कुछ लिखना चाहते हैं तो इस प्रकार आप लिखें। तो कुछ वैल्यू पॉइंट्स होता है, देयर आर सम वैल्यू पॉइंट्स और दैट्स वेरी नेसेसरी। सो यू आर राइटिंग about which place, you have to mention the name of the place। Okay, you are writing maybe about Mumbai, you are writing maybe about Goa, you are writing maybe about Jaipur, whatever place is there, okay, so you have to mention name of the place। Thereafter you can come to locational aspect। So locational aspects means so how to reach there, okay, how to reach there, that thing you have to describe। तो यहाँ का जो लोकेशन कैसा है, कैसे हम पहुँच सकते हैं, और इस प्रकार के बारे में आप क्या करेंगे, उसको वर्णन करेंगे। Then after there is another point, spatial relation, है ना, उसके जो रिलेशन क्या है और उसके बारे में बताना है। Then atmosphere, suppose you are writing about Bombay or Mumbai, what is the atmosphere of Mumbai, you have to describe that। Suppose you are writing to Jaipur, especially in Rajasthan, it is very hot the time of summer and very cold the time of winter, that is the main theme। If you are writing about Mumbai, Goa. So they are coastal plain. So that is why. So that place might be like humid climate. Okay. So like the same way, whatever atmosphere is there, you have to write. Then you write sight and sound. Suppose you are writing about Delhi, sorry, what sites are there? You are writing Jaipur, what sites are there? You are writing about Goa, you are writing about Kerala, you are writing about Kashmir. What sites are there? That is also very important. And you have to mention also purpose. So if you have any knowledge of historicity, or importance, any other points, hmm, or uniqueness, all these things you have to mention over here. So here is about a cricket stadium that I will read for you. Okay, that I will read for you. So that will be example for you. The Wankhede Cricket Stadium is the largest cricket stadium in Mumbai. Okay, now you are writing about the stadium at the same time you are describing the location. Where is that? Okay, established in 1975, it is located at Churchgate in the heart of the city. Okay, the location is there. Where is Churchgate, heart of the city? Means that may be in the central part. With a sitting capacity of 15,000, it has overtaken the world-class Brabourne Stadium in all respects. Okay, these are, when I read the example, you have to understand that there is no any false report or false statement. It is always stating whatever the truthfulness is there. The main gate of the stadium are named after India's cricketing icons, Pole, Unifigar, and Vinu uh, Mankad. The stands are named after famous Mumbai cricketer like Vijaya Marchant, West Stand, Sunil Gavaskar, East Stand Upper, and Sachin Tendulkar, North Stand. The first test match played in the stadium was India versus West Indies in 1975. This is also one of the historical, historical report. When the era of one-day match began, the Wankhede Stadium hosted the first ODI India versus Sri Lanka in the year 1987. Floodlight ensure that it hosts the day and night matches are in the norm this day. The first day and night match there was held in 1995. So with uh, what mm, you are describing about the stadium, at the same time you are writing the historical background also over here. So that is why previous I told you you have to mention the historical background also. Okay, so approximity to the sea ensure Spain and bounced of the spinners. A visit to the stadium is needed, an exciting one. So here in the last line, you have seen that there is that purpose. Okay, and that is something describing about purpose. So and there is something encouraging of encouragement. Okay, so Anyway, but I hope this small video that will be very helpful for you. Finally, if you have newly watching this video lecture, so please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon also. Thank you. May God bless you. Have a good day.